Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the First Touch features of Volt MX Go. First Touch includes a wizard that will walk you through establishing a connection between Volt Foundry and Domino using the Domino REST API. It will also install a sample application, a recipe app, in Volt Iris that you can use as a reference point when learning how to use the Domino adapter, how to connect Foundry and Domino, and create, modify, and build apps in Iris. Let's watch as Matt Muncy takes us through a demo of this helpful feature.
Brand new Foundry Go server we're going to log into for the first time here. And once we log into this, we should see the home page that has no applications as this is a brand new installation. However, across the top, we do see a banner explaining First Touch and getting started. So we'll go ahead and click Getting Started there. We will add our Domino server credentials in with the administrative ID there. Go ahead and click Next. That will establish a connection with Domino REST API and ensure that we have an existing connection there with the Domino server. It's going through creating an environment and putting in the First Touch or the First Touch recipes application. It's importing this application. This is actually included in your Go installation, this web app that we have created and put here for you. And we're making sure that we have a connection directly to Domino REST API. It's creating an identity service which authenticates against OAuth credentials to ensure that you have a secure connection to Domino. So we go through here and we publish these services. We upload the binaries app for the recipes application, and we create that application in your Foundry server. We also go ahead and produce and publish a mobile web client for you as well. Once everything is published and those services are in place, we see a congratulations screen where we can go ahead and launch the First Touch application. If we click launch, we see that we get a new application here for First Touch recipes. We are challenged for credentials here to log in, which we're going to sign in with our Domino credentials. So we go ahead and we check access and we log in with our Domino credentials. Once those credentials have been accepted, we allow for that to be accessed, and we should be presented here with the First Touch recipes application. So here we see a landing page of the application where we have all of our recipes here. We can click on them and select what's going on with those particular recipes. We can edit them, we can delete them, and we are communicating successfully with our Domino server.
Hopefully that demo gave you a good feel for how to use the First Touch features, and you'll give it a try yourself. As a reminder, we have a free hosted trial of Volt MX Go available, and a webinar series that goes into even more detail on all of the key features of Volt MX Go. Thanks for watching.